Good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of my patients from Canada who traveled actually from Toronto to Florida to have Deuk laser disc repair to fix two herniated discs, one in his neck, one in his lower back. And you had your lower back done last week, and we were actually supposed to do your cervical last week, and we had our air conditioning break, and we got it fixed over the weekend, and you had your neck done yesterday. So you've actually had the Deuk laser disc repair done on your neck and your lower back. How's your lower back feeling?
Brand new.
Amazing,
As if it was never injured. I still am in shock. I can't believe that you were able to achieve this result after I've been suffering with this problem for just over 5 years now.
Yeah, since your accident.
Yeah.
Trauma is the cause of herniated discs. You herniated your disc in your lower back. You had pain for 5 years. In Canada, what did they do to treat your pain in your back and your neck?
I started with medications, nerve meds, narcotic painkillers. I was instructed and told to have nerve block injections to help with pain management. I did physio, I did chiro. Finally, I got to a point where I started to do the nerve ablation therapy, and I did 2 rounds of that.
But the pain came back.
And the pain always came back, and I was looking for a repair, a permanent solution so I can get back to, having some normality of my life. And I found the Deuk Spine Institute, sent my MRI over right away. I had my consultation within not even 10 days with Dr. Deuk in person, like in Zoom. 3 weeks later, I flew out here and I feel like brand new.
It's amazing,
so thank
isn't it?
you. Yeah,
You're welcome. You're welcome.
This was life-saving for me because I didn't really have a great life before this experience.
And you can tell the pain is gone now.
Yeah, I was having numbing in my legs. There was days where I couldn't even walk. I was completely debilitated, stuck in the house, pain, numb. I thought I was going to be like paralyzed at one point. That's how bad it was.
And how are those symptoms now that you had the procedure?
Gone. I have full feeling back everywhere. Like, it's unbelievable. I can't believe it.
All with the Deuk laser disc repair. You could see we went in and we found the actual tear where the herniation came out in the back of the disc, and we used the laser to clean it out, debride it. Now here you are doing fantastic.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
So much.
Is there anything else you want to tell your fans out there?
I did my neck. I did my lower back. I had the worst symptoms. I came here, an hour each procedure. This is the day after. I had my procedure yesterday at, what time did you take me in? Like after 9 maybe?
Yeah, around 24 hours ago.
And I haven't taken any medication since I was discharged and gone back to the hotel. Not even Tylenol. Like, I feel great. It's unbelievable. I highly recommend anyone that's suffering like this to just come out and get fixed, because you will definitely have a way better quality of life. Don't suffer.
Yeah, don't suffer.
Don't suffer.
We can fix the back and neck.
There's a solution. He's the solution.
Thank you.
This is real. Everything you see on the internet about Dr. Deuk is real. Any negative reviews you read about Dr. Deuk are none. They're not real. They're just people that are just not happy with themselves, because I read them all on Google and I had to make this decision, and I'm very glad I did, because I believed everyone that was talking about their results, and here I am. So thank you.
Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your life.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right, let's get you out of here.